Okay, for this problem here, we have C is equal to 11t plus b, and we got to find b if c is equal to 80 and t is equal to 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug these values in. So c is 80, so I'm going to plug 80 in. Is equal to 11. The t goes in for t, so that'll be times 7 plus b, and that's what I'm trying to find. So I have 80. I do my multiplication first, which is 77 plus b. Now I have to solve this equation, which we've been working on. I need to get b by itself. I have to balance the equation by subtracting 77 from both sides. And so I know this will cancel here. And I have 3 is equal to b. And so if I put it all together, my equation is going to be c is equal to 11t plus 3b.